are the challenges to you I give to you is what are you going to do when you get back? What's going to be different in your life you're laboring to love?
This is my favorite. Lincoln, Nebraska, the candy stores. No, we do not have ice cream.
I was with my wife. I said, can I go in and ask? She looks at the sign, you know what she said? They're going to have a gun. They're going to kill you.
And I learned something. I learned that if enough people come in and ask for ice cream, maybe we should sell ice cream. It's what we call market research.
He was funny. It was a good refresher.
Funny, entertaining, motivational.
He had relatable stories, kept our interest.
I thought he was awesome.
He was very funny, kept us interested.
Well, yeah, he was good. His humor, to always smile and laugh.
Laughing. I like laughing.
Yes, he was good.
Oh, yeah.
So it's about our people. I could go to any of your areas and it's about the people, isn't it? It's about the people, what we are. So are they trying to get out or are they trying to stay? It's all about the people. That's what we do. So we don't hire losers, no. Takes a while for this group to kind of catch that stuff. So we give you the ROD, we give you the RAD system. What we have to tell our people is the RAD about responsibility. We're going to have the accountability that you're doing the right things, and we're going to provide you the discipline to do them correctly. Whenever I get bad service, let's say, for example, at a store, I blame management. Because somebody hasn't really laid out expectations for people. And then they need to be appreciated. They need to be appreciated when they do it right, Because we're really in the business of changing lives. Changing lives, what we really do.
He was hilarious. He was a lot of fun.
He was outstanding, very funny. It was great. He laughed a lot.
Entertaining.
Oh, I love all the jokes he was making. It constantly just made me laugh and laugh. I couldn't stop. It was great.
It got our attention first thing in the morning, and he's real, and he's down to earth, and it's applicable, and we can apply it, and I can relate to it. Everybody, it doesn't matter what platform, anything in life, we can pick it up and apply it to any industry. I loved it.
We try to move people into the wanna stage versus the have to. You know where I learned that? Two people hooked up to one another, and they have to be together. It's different than the wanna. And the have to is what? Who are you with? Him. Where'd you find him? I don't know. Followed me home one night. I don't know. But there's something wonderful about wanna. And that's what we try to do. So we've come up with these 6 things of how to build people's confidence and their attitude and their responsibility, have them energized, and being enthusiasm is important. And then that's kind of reignition stuff, because everyone needs a boost, and a boost is a source of help or encouragement leading to increase or improvement. Isn't that funny? My father used to say everyone needs a pat on the back. Sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's harder. And we all need that. We all need it. So the basics are still the basics. Everybody wants it clean. Everyone wants the people to be nice to them. Everyone wants to trust everybody. It's funny how it sells the same. So it's business not as usual. And so these 3 things of what we build on of direct results and building of values and building and developing for tomorrow.
Yeah, he's awesome. He's really funny.
Take a lot back with us.
The whole thing was good. I mean, the key points were very informative.
He was hilarious, yeah, very well planned, very well thought out.
Best keynote ever. He did a great job.
He was hilarious. Everybody. It's good for anyone who works in customer service, for sure.
He was entertaining. He didn't look away from
Relatable?
Been to a lot of conferences. It's always good when somebody can just make you laugh that much. Living in the moment, living for today. Oh, very relatable. Not anybody could listen to him.
Here's what business is all. If you get nothing else out of the 2 days, this is it.
What's the customer God that we want?
What's the customer God that we want? Yes.
We got the stuff. We want to get rid of their stuff.
And get their not going too fast. Here's the deal. I don't dwell on this stuff. This happened and you have your list. If I sat with you, we'd come with your list too, but I dwell on this list, which is hundreds of things that have gone right. I've been so lucky, so fortunate. Oh my goodness. That's what keeps me going. Because you can get through just about anything. Just about anything. Because there's no security. You have to create your security in your life, in your labor, in your love.
I thought it was really funny. It was entertaining and I learned a lot. Definitely a high energy person. Everyone that's looking to expand.
I saw Mike at a couple different speaker showcases. I loved his dry humor. I love that he has a message still while he's funny, and knew that for our particular audience he would be a great fit.